I'm glad to see you in this event. Uh, how long you been your hospital? What's the name of your hospital?
Actually, I've been more than 2 decades in public health.
Uh,
So I've been working with the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao.
mm,
So I'm currently the Director General of the Ministry of Health. Yeah, so I usually overlook or oversee the operations in behalf of our minister, Mr. President. So I am representing our minister
who
of
is the
health.
minister?
The minister is Dr. Kadil Sinulindig
From the barn.
from Guard. He was not able to join because he has also an important one. Meron kasi silang session,
Uh,
special session sa farm. So hindi siya pinapunta dito ng ating yung higher ups. Kasi
oh,
meron silang ginagawang session in
oh,
Rosarina.
oh,
Pero it's a good opportunity that we were able to engage with this medical group, and this opens the possibilities and the different assistance that they can give our community. So we are very privileged and we are very grateful. We met them and we are engaging with them, and we have just signed a memorandum of understanding with them. So hopefully, tuloy-tuloy ito sa
oh. How many
ating.
countries ang nag-sign of memorandum saying to help the barn hospitals?
Yeah, because it will pave way to the establishment of a framework or a strategic framework, so that there will be projects, there will be programs. Kasi kung wala po kasing basehan, wala po kasing paglalagyan ng project or program. Ganun po yun. Parang ang memorandum of understanding is just parang it's a bridge or it's a conduit, no? Para mabigay yung assistance. Not just the Japanese government, but also coming from us, from the Bangsamoro and the Philippine government.
And then you're the administrator of the hospital.
Not necessarily, but I oversee the operation also in the different hospitals. We have 27 hospitals in
Barn, ang dami.
It's distributed in the different provinces.
No, I saw it the video nga.
Yeah.
And a lot of health centers.
Yeah, and also a lot of health centers in the different municipalities.
How about the support of the government?
Yeah, so we have a very supportive government. Wala naman pong problema, and we are working with the Philippine government. Mutual naman ang respect natin.
And ano, they are taken care of.
Yeah, we are being taken care of.
Even the previous administration and the present
Yeah,
administration.
even though kung sino man maging presidente, previous government, meron na kasi tayong kasunduan with the Philippine government. Yung Bangsamoro Organic Law. So, yun yung parang nagtatag ng Bangsamoro Autonomous Region of Mindanao. So, the national government is providing the assistance in terms of funding, in terms of the capacity building. So, this understanding with the different entity provides an augmentation, provides support for the inadequacies that we have.
Oh. And then how many patient do you have a year?
If I'm not mistaken, yung sa presentation namin, as much as mas marami po.
Oh.
We are 5 million in the Bangsamoro government. So we have 27 hospitals, and we took care of the different age groups. So yung napupunta na naman sa hospital, yun yung mga nangangailangan ng higher referral or higher services. Yeah.
Ano particular equipment na hinihingi nyo sa kanila? Meron bang ganon? O sila
Wala pa naman sa ngayon, pero we will actually look into that on a later meeting. Kasi ito lang yung
Initial.
engagement with them.
Oo.
So we are hoping for succeeding meetings, and we can share the details with you.
I heard kasi from the group of Reds na they're giving you dialysis
Yeah,
machine.
I think it's more because kidney problems is increasing number.
Number one pa sa
Increase the number
Philippines.
kasi ng kidneys ngayon.
Number one pa sa Philippines.
Hindi naman siya number one, but it is now in the top 10. Yeah, morbidities or diseases. And if you have these chronic diseases, nangangailangan na talaga ng dialysis or nangangailangan ng kidney transplant.
Oo.
So, kailangan ng specialized care or specialized treatment. And sa amin, kukunti lang din talaga yung mga dialysis center. And kung mag-fill in sila doon, it's very good and it's nice to.
How about other countries? Do you helping you?
Yeah, we have development partners in our place. We have the
What countries?
we have the WHO, the World Health
Yeah,
Organization.
WHO.
UNFPA, United Nations, and then we have the UNICEF, we have the JICA, we have the COICA, the Korean International Cooperation Agency.
How about US?
US, they have just tinanggal nila nung pumasok ang Trump administration. But it's
Ay,
not
oo
just in
nga,
the Philippines. It's not just in the Philippines, the whole world. Natanggal ang USAID.
I see. So,
It's because of their policy of the government.
gotcha.
So we cannot do anything about it. But we are also very thankful because for the past 5 to 10 years talagang tumutulong din naman ng USA sa amin.
Saka yung mga partners na US na lang tumutulong kayo sa inyo. Katulad ng Japan.
Meron tayong mga international agencies na dyan.
Oo.
The Japan International Cooperation Agency, yung JICA. Meron tayong COICA, yung Korean International Agency. Nandun din po yun sa amin. Tapos meron din kaming mga international na non-government organization.
Good. How about the European countries?
Yun lang po yung sa ngayon. Yeah, European kasi meron sila dati pero hindi na sila, nawala yung kanilang projects.
More Asian countries.
More in Asia. Dati meron tayong Australian aid, meron tayong Canadian aid pero nag-stop na tayo.
I see.
But we are very all the support and all the assistance are welcome sa amin.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you. What's your name, sir?
Noel Asinas.
Noel Asidas.
More entertainment ako, naging business na ako yun. Thank
Hindi
you.
naman maging entertainment ng health.